She dressed up, hopeless, eager to impress him.
Max, what are you doing?
A reenactment. You're the victim, I'm the killer.
Would you like me to clear some space on the floor so you can lie down together?
No, thank you, Doctor.
There were no bruises on the body. No blood beneath the fingernails. It means she probably consented to lie with him.
We've already come to the same conclusion without the theatrics, Dr. Lieberman.
Oh, but then why kill her? Maybe they argued? A crime of passion?
The wound was precise. It wasn't inflicted in a rage, Inspector.
Max, there must be something.
The French call it la petite mort. The little death. I believe she was killed during their communion. Stabbed at the point of sexual climax.